I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And I bought a collection of stuff off a guy that had this laying around. It was somebody's make-believe race bike back in probably early 60s. This is a 1959 Harley ST165. Some people call it a Hummer, but it's not. It's a ST165. The motor does turn over. We had the head off. When I got it, the cylinder and head were off. So we bought new studs and nuts for it from redraven.com. They make Harley parts. Then also we picked up a side stand for it that also comes from Red Raven. Got the nice spring and everything. We just didn't want it seeing it lay over. The key switch moves. It's got the original cap. The gas tank's rotted out. It's got holes in it. Someone added their own crossbar. Looks like it's got original grips. Looks like this is original here. Got the clutch cable on it and stuff. You can see they chopped the rear fender. If you come to this side of the motorcycle, you'll see a huge rear sprocket on it. It's got knobby on the back. It's got some kind of aggressive tire on the front. So this was somebody's bike back in the day. It is a 59. The serial number appears to be authentic. So we're offering this for sale. If there's any interest out there, give us a call. And thanks a lot for looking. And we may have low-cost shipping available on request, especially if you live here in Ohio. All right, thanks.